Allow me to show all you baby ducklings how to change a tire. Edmonton has literally just finished its 6th winter, so I think it's safe to say that winter's finally over. So today I'll be changing into my summer tires. The best part about changing to summer tires is I don't have to drive in these stock wheels anymore. Looks like a freaking dad car. I'm not a daddy. I gotta hurry, the sun's about to set. I literally just brought my rims to a random park because I don't have a garage because I live in a basement suite. So what you're looking at here is, I don't know why I went southern. We got a set of banged up niche wheels and some Firestone Indy 500 racing tires on a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a weird combination, I know, don't ask. Well, let's get to it. Okay, so the first step is to loosen the lug nuts, or in my case, they're lug bolts. You want to loosen them while the car's still on the ground. Now you can lift the car. Honestly, I should probably be doing this on a flat surface, but this parking lot's kind of angled. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. You want to lift the car just until, there we go, the tire isn't touching the ground anymore. Now you can take the rest of the lug bolts out. You know, I should probably put this car on jack stands, but I don't have jack stands, so let's hope nothing bad happens. Boom, first wheel off. This is called a wheel spacer. Look how thick it is. It's like 25 millimeters. Basically, the whole point of this is to make your tires stick out more. Makes it look all aggressive. Kind of makes it look like a BMW. Joseph, why don't you just buy a BMW then? I mean, technically I could buy a BMW SUV if I wanted to. Like, it's not that I don't want to. Like, I mean, financially, it's not like I'm broke or anything. Like, I could if I wanted to. Now, before I put the new wheels on, I gotta get rid of all this rust with a metal wire brush. You're gonna wanna scrub not only the hub, but the wheel itself. Right there. And the spacer too. The reason why you wanna do this is because if there happens to be a small rock or if the wheel's slightly misaligned, and as you're driving, it's gonna start rocking and you're gonna feel all those vibrations. And you don't want none of that. You don't wanna be driving and then all of a sudden... So scrub that shit. Another thing that prevents vibrations is this little doohickey thing here. This is called a hub ring. You put it on the spacer like that, and what this does is it makes the tire perfectly centered onto the spacer, onto the hub, so that you don't have any vibrations or unbalance. Now's the fun part. Ugh, where's the hole? Come on. So I've just hand tightened the lug bolts so that the wheel doesn't come off. And now you want to tighten it as much as you can with the wrench in a star pattern. Just like that. Normally I'd give this a spin afterwards to make sure that it's spinning properly, but I have my e-brakes on because we're on a slope and I don't want my car to roll away. Now you can lower the car. Damn, look at that, that's fire. Now the next thing you want to do is torque it to spec. That basically means you're just going to tighten it to a specific measurement, usually in foot-pounds or Newton-meters. For my car, it's either 120 Newton-meters or 88 foot-pounds. This is called a torque wrench. It's got a bunch of numbers that I can adjust it to. How does this thing work again? There we go. You're going to tighten this again in a star pattern until you hear this thing click. Like that. Bam! So this is basically done. Now I gotta do the other three. Come on. Just look at the difference. Look at like a dad car. Nice. Dad car. Yeah. Look how black my hands are.
Brother,
I just installed both tires on one side, and look, this already looks so good. Like, it looks like a different car already. It's already a different vibe. I'll do the other side. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, when you tighten your lug bolts, they should rotate 5 to 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6, 7.
That's the last one. The other side is now complete. Damn, look at these rims. They look so nice. Look at them. I also forgot to mention, remember to retorque your wheels after 100 kilometers. What is up with my hair? This parking lot is like literally the best spot to do this. Like, there's nobody here. It's literally an empty lot. The sun has finally set. And that's basically how you change your tires. Okay, so I figured I should probably include some before and after shots, so here's a few clips of what it looked like before and then after I changed into the new wheels. It's really subtle, but you can see how it sticks out a little more than the old wheels. It makes it look a little more aggressive. The video doesn't really do it much justice, but in person you can see how it does stick out a little more. The new wheels are a lot wider too, so you can tell if you look at the tires that the old ones were a little skinnier. It looks like my car skipped leg day, and now the new ones are a lot fatter. Changing the wheels changes the whole vibe of your car. See how it went from a dad car to a hip youngster BMW wannabe? Wheels are like the kicks of your outfit. You could have a basic outfit, but with some nice kicks, it makes your fit look way better. My car now has big boy shoes on. It looks different. I mean, it feels different. Yeah, it's only a Volkswagen SUV, it's nothing crazy, but changing the wheels is a form of expression. The style and the color you choose, it really shows what kind of person you are. So the last step of the process was now to make sure that each wheel had enough air and that it's at the right air pressure. After that, I gathered up all my stuff, put the wheels back in the car, and I was off. I went for a little joyride to test if there was any vibrations. Luckily, there was no vibrations at all. That means I actually did everything properly. I swear I was going the speed limit, Mom, I promise. So yeah, that's how you change your tires. Hopefully this was educational or entertaining at the least. Now you know how to change the wheels on your car. Yeah, it's no Lamborghini or Porsche, but it still looks good in my opinion. Thanks for watching.